hospital is working at improving the health of the whole community well outside of treating patients. The Blue Zones project is coming to Wisconsin for the first time. And Kim Miller is president and CEO of Beaver Dam Communities Hospitals Incorporated, and here to tell us a little bit about this initiative in Dodge County. Great to see you, Kim. Thanks for sharing this with us.
Thank you so much.
So tell us again, this is called the Blue Zones project. It's active in several other states, but this is the first of its kind here in Wisconsin.
Absolutely, and it is actually a study that was done through National Geographic. It was commissioned, and Dan Buettner traveled around the world and identified the areas of the world where people were living past the age of 100 at a higher percentage, and they were actively involved with their families and their communities.
So it's kind of a best practices, right?
Absolutely.
So tell us a little bit about some of the pillars then, and then how the hospital gets involved with that.
Well, we actually are sponsoring it, and so we just launched October 10th, and the pillars are, there's 9, what they call the Power 9, and one of those is moving naturally. So a simple thing to think about is just walking where you're going. If you can walk to the dentist, form walking groups, be more active, but it's to support people to make the healthy choice the easiest choice.
And what do you do to facilitate that? I know that you've just launched, but you're already seeing people come together and help make some of these things happen.
Well, one of the things we're doing is we had an assessment done in the 4 different communities, and so we're taking those assessment reports. Volunteers from the communities are coming together, and they are forming a blueprint, so they will determine what each community will work on.
I think it's interesting too, Kim, because you're in the business of treating patients when they come to the hospital, and yet this program, if it works, will bring you fewer customers.
The future of healthcare is really to support people in their own environment and to help them be healthier.
Well, it's interesting. I hope it's successful for you in Beaver Dam. And now, is it possible to spread this to other communities outside of Dodge County? Is there work being done on that?
I would love to see it go all over the state of Wisconsin. That would be perfect.
Well, let's see if we piqued anybody's interest here. For more information on the Blue Zones project out in Dodge County, website has a wealth of information. You can check it out in a link. It's up there now at tmj4.com.